Today we're going to be replacing the Digitizer on the Galaxy Tab 4. Go ahead and take the back cover off, just gently prying. Comes off pretty easy. Slides right off. We got the Digitizer connection right here. Just go ahead and pop this back. Go ahead and remove that. Also, I'd recommend actually unplugging the battery. Not much risk in doing the Digitizer and shorting anything out, but just to be safe. Put some heat around the bezel. Once this thing is hot, I would always focus the heat on the outer screen. So once you touch it and it feels hot to your hands, it's probably good to go. What I always do is I like to get underneath the actual adhesive so you have a nice clean take apart. So what I do is I actually enjoy using business cards to take this apart so you don't damage the actual screen. Once you have that, you can just slide the card in, kind of keep it up. That way you're not damaging the LCD or anything of that nature. Should be fairly easy to take the screen off. Let's go ahead and you'll actually start seeing the card on the inside. Once that's done, add a little more heat. And then slide the card through. Should be fairly easy. As long as it's warm, this thing will slide no problem. If it ever starts to hesitate, just add a little more heat. This is by far the safest way to do this type of repair. Go ahead and align the camera holes up top. Make sure there's no dust underneath. Once the camera holes are lined up, go ahead and feed this cable through the hole in the bottom, which is right here. Carefully seal it. You put the screen on, go ahead and flip it over, attach the cable back, close it here, go ahead and plug the battery back in, and give it a test. Alright, with the screen on, go ahead and test it. Looks like it's working great. Go ahead and put the back cover back on it. The auxiliary first. Slide it in there. And then carefully close it. And there you have it. Samsung Galaxy Tab 4 Digitizer Only replacement.